The compressive stress in the concrete can be measured or expressed in terms of 150 mm³ crushing strength at the age of 28 days, or in the form of 150 mm diameter cylinder with the height of 300 mm. The cylinder strengths are normally smaller than the cube strength, which is about 60% of the cube strength. It is noted that all the design calculations in Eurocode 2 has to be based on the characteristic cylinder strength, which is termed as FCK. The cube strength may, however, be used for compliance purpose, and it is normally termed as FCK cube. This represents a typical specifications to indicate the concrete grade. The first number here represents the characteristic cylinder strength. The second number normally is bigger than the first number, and it normally represents the characteristic cube strength of the concrete. In the design of Eurocode, the concrete grade are based on the first number. Therefore, for the concrete grade here, the FCK will be equals to 35. In our previous video, we have discussed that the design strengths are normally lower than the characteristic strength, as they are considerations in terms of factor of safety of the concrete. This can be expressed in the equations indicated here. The design compressive strength is represented by FCD, while FCTD is representing the design tensile strength. There are factors of safety alpha CC and gamma C. The design compressive strength and design tensile strength is governed by the characteristic cylinder strength and also characteristic axial tensile strength of the concrete. The characteristic cylinder strength is represented by the concrete grade. As for the characteristic tensile strength, FCTK, is obtained from table 3.1 in the functions of FCK. Gamma C here represents the partial safety of factor of concrete, which is equals to 1.5 in accordance to the clause 2.4.2.4. This number is obtained from table 2.1n in Eurocode. The factor of safety of concrete, steel, and pre-stressing steels are indicated here. For normal circumstances, the persistence and transient conditions are referred. The factor alpha CC and alpha CT represent the coefficients of long-term effect and of unfavorable effect of the compressive or tensile strength. These factors are normally assumed as 1.0 as recommended in Eurocode 2 Part 1. For more precise calculations, National Annex can be referred. The factor normally range between 0.8 to 1.0.